on and then click this, automatically all the translation X values are selected. The next one is the gizmo manipulator size manipulator. Okay, so you can actually manipulate the manipulator size. This, okay, and this one is orbit around selection, which you can find it in preferences. I have added the button here directly, so you know it is always on by default. Maybe if it is not on, please keep it on. It will be very helpful when you rotate some things, so the camera locks towards that particular selected object. If you don't select it, so you know it goes into the center of where you see this like it. So always better use this to orbit the selection properly. So the next one is snap. This is simple again. Select the object to the and then select the active. It will snap to the active. And this one is also same, like snap 3D cursor. So the 3D cursor will come here. Then you can actually click this one and press this button. It will automatically snap towards the 3D cursor. Common buttons. And then next one, this one I have added. This is also common, but I have added multiple things. For example, click the pivot. If you see that it's saying something like click pivot, click the position in the viewport, press E for rotating the object, press pivot again to release it. So simple. Suppose if you have fingers on the table which you want to rotate the hand from this pivot, what you can do is select the control. Suppose this is the control, you want to rotate it from here. Suppose you can't rotate it now because it is not pivot, and also you cannot change the pivot all the time, right? So click this and place the pivot here and press E, then rotate it and then click it again. Automatically it will switch back to the normal position. Pretty simple. And the next one is smooth. Again, I recommend you keep this always on, so that your and also this value to be 0 all the time, so that when you grab time slider you will get 24 fps if your rig